Hello, and welcome to the Knowledge Workshop. I'm John.
And I'm Olivia. Hello, everyone.
Today, we have a special episode. Valentine's Day is coming soon.
That's right. So we will talk about dating.
Specifically, we will help you learn how to ask someone on a date in English.
It can be scary, but we will teach you some simple and easy phrases.
Yes, this will be very useful. Are you ready, Olivia?
I'm ready. Let's begin.
So, Olivia, before we ask someone on a date, what is the first step?
That's a great question, John. The first step is to be friendly. You should talk to the person first.
Right, not a long conversation, just a simple hello.
Exactly. You can ask, "How are you?" or talk about the weather. For example, "It is a beautiful day today."
Small talk. This shows you are friendly.
Yes, you can also give a compliment. A compliment is a nice thing you say to someone.
What is a good example of a compliment?
"I like your shirt," or "You have a nice smile."
Oh, that's simple and kind.
Right. The goal is to have a small, friendly chat. This makes asking for a date easier later.
That makes sense. So, first, be friendly. Say hello and maybe give a simple compliment.
Perfect.
Okay, so we had a nice short chat. Now it is time for the big question. How do we ask,
Would you like to?
would you like to... Can you give an example?
Would you like to get a coffee with me sometime?
That's a great one. Coffee is very casual and easy.
Exactly. Or you could say, "Would you like to go to the movies with me?"
A movie is good too. What about dinner?
Another good one is, "Would you like to have dinner with me?" Dinner can feel a little more serious than coffee, so coffee is a great first date idea.
I agree. So the main phrase is, would you like to? That's a good point about dinner being more serious. What are some other good, casual ideas for a first date?
Yes. Now, there is another way it's a little more indirect. Great question. Besides coffee, you could suggest going for a walk in a park, visiting a museum, or even something fun like bowling or mini golf.
Okay, what is it?
You can say what you are planning to do and then invite them. For example, "I am going to get a pizza on Friday. Would you like to join me?"
Oh, I like that. It feels very relaxed.
Right. Another example, "I am going to a concert on Saturday. I have an extra ticket. Would you like to come?"
That's very natural. It shows you already have a plan.
Yes, it can feel less stressful for some people.
So we have two main ways. The direct way, would you like to?
Mm-hmm.
And the indirect way, I am doing something. Would you like to join me?
That's it. Both are very good and very polite.
Okay, so you asked a question. Now there are two possible answers, yes or no. Let's talk about yes first.
Great. So you ask, "Would you like to get a coffee with me?" And the person says, "Yes, I'd love to." What do you say next?
Good question. You need to make a plan.
Exactly. You can ask, "When are you free?" or "What day is good for you?"
Right, so you can decide on a day and a time. For example, how about Saturday afternoon?
Perfect. Then you can decide on a place. There is a nice coffee shop on Main Street. We can meet there.
Okay, that is clear. Now for the difficult part. What if they say no?
This is very important. If they say no, you must be polite and respectful.
I agree. No anger, no sadness, just be cool.
Right. So if they say, "I'm sorry, I'm busy," or just "No, thank you," you can say something simple.
Like what?
Okay, no problem. Or, that's all right, maybe another time.
Okay, no problem. That's easy to remember.
And then just smile and end the conversation. You can say, have a nice day.
That is very important. Being polite is key. Should we do a quick role play?
Yes, let's do it. You ask me on a date.
Okay. Hi, Olivia. It's a beautiful day today.
Hi, John. Yes, it is very sunny.
I was wondering, would you like to get a coffee with me sometime this week?
I would love to. That sounds nice.
Great. When are you free? How about Thursday afternoon?
Thursday works for me. Around 3 p.m.?
Perfect. Let's meet at the coffee spot.
Sounds good. See you then.
See? It's that easy.
So today we learned a lot. Let's do a quick review.
Good idea. First, be friendly before you ask. A small chat is good.
Right, then to ask, you can use the phrase, would you like to,
Would you like to get a coffee with me?
or you can use the indirect way. I am going to a park on Sunday. Would you like to join me?
And if they say yes, make a plan. Ask, when are you free?
And if they say no, be polite. Just say, okay, no problem. Have a nice day.
Exactly. The most important thing is to be confident and kind.
That's the best advice. We hope this helps you. Valentine's Day is a good time to be brave.
Yes, it is. Well, that is all the time we have for today.
Thank you for listening to the Knowledge Workshop.
We will see you next time. Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye.